Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious seafood boil ramen, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Chop some green onions, then dice 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 onion. Next, slice 1 sausage, then deshell and devein some shrimp. When you have finished preparing all of your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, we're going to prepare the seasoning mix for the sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your seasoning mix to the side. Next, we're going to make the sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add a half a cup of diced onions, a half a cup of diced bell peppers, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then saute your veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes. When you have finished cooking your veggies, add 1.5 cups of seafood stock. If you don't have seafood stock, you can always use chicken broth instead. Next, mix in your seasonings. Then add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Once you finish adding all of your ingredients, let your sauce simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your sauce has finished cooking, set it to the side. Now that the sauce is finished, boil some eggs. While the eggs are boiling, we're going to cook our snow crab legs. In a large pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of liquid seafood boil. Adding the vinegar makes the crabs easier to pick, while adding the liquid seafood boil adds flavor. Bring the water to a boil and then cook your crab legs for 5 minutes. I'm using snow crab legs, but you can use whatever type of crab you like. Once your crab legs have finished cooking, remove them from the pot and set them to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, cook your sliced sausage. Once the sausage has finished cooking, remove them from the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter, and while the butter is melting, deglaze the bottom of the pan. Then place your shrimp into the pan and season them. I season my shrimp with pepper, Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. After adding your seasonings, cook your shrimp for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your shrimp have finished cooking, set them to the side. Next, in a pot of boiling water, cook your ramen noodles for however long it says to on the package. The eggs should be finished cooking by now, so all you have to do is peel and cut them. This is optional, but I also let my eggs marinate in some of the sauce for a bit before cutting them. Now that everything has been cooked, we can now assemble our ramen. Pour your sauce in a bowl. Then add the ramen noodles. And the toppings prepared before. When I had finished adding the toppings, I sprinkled some paprika and parsley on top. And this is the finished result. This was absolutely delicious and it looks great. I saw this trending on TikTok for a while and I really wanted to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did because it turned out really good. The sauce was really good and well seasoned. I love bell peppers in my sauce, it just adds so much flavor. If you haven't had seafood boil ramen yet, I totally recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!